Namaste. This is TV Kamlesh of 8th studying in Jacob Karadia Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Chennai. Have you ever noticed when we close the refrigerator door and immediately when we try to open it, we find it difficult to open? Do you know why? Come, let us find out the reason behind it with an experiment. For this experiment, we need a glass bottle, a bowl or a container to hold water, straw, clear adhesive putty, hot water, food coloring, funnel and gloves. Firstly, fill the bottle with hot water using this funnel. Be careful while pouring it as it is very hot. Fill it fully and wait for some time. Meanwhile, take some tap water in this bowl. Now add some food coloring and stir it well to make it more visible. Now empty the hot water bottle. Immediately insert the straw and seal it tight with a putty. Now carefully keep the bottle upside down and submerge it in the cold water bowl. Now see what happens. The water is getting inside this bottle slowly. Do you know why? As the hot air inside the bottle cools down, pressure drops inside the bottle, creating a vacuum which sucks up the water into the bottle. This straw acts as an equalizer to equalize the pressure inside and outside the bottle. The same phenomenon is occurring in the case of the refrigerator door. While the door is open, some of the cold air inside pours out and warm air rushes into the fridge to replace it. As soon as you close the door, the warm air trapped inside cools down, causing the pressure to fall. So it's actually the external air pressure pushing against the door. Thank you.